In a world of constant technological progress, there's one remarkable phenomenon that's stealing the spotlight. Artificial intelligence. This isn't some far-off futuristic idea anymore. AI is here, and it's changing everything. It's becoming incredibly smart and powerful. AI is reshaping industries and pushing the boundaries of what's possible for humans. In this video, we will gaze into the future and break down 7 ways our lives will be different in 2030 because of AI. We'll quickly realize that the artificial in artificial intelligence doesn't fit at all. So brace yourself, because by the time we reach 2030, AI will have an incredible amount of power, making incredible breakthroughs in medicine, transforming industries, and even reshaping our very existence. It's an exciting journey ahead, so let's get started. Number 1. AI boom across all professions. By the year 2030, artificial intelligence will play a significant role in how businesses operate every day. It's not just for tech wizards or scientists. AI will be a useful tool for regular folks, helping them be more creative, brainstorm new ideas, and tackle problems that were impossible to solve before. Sometimes we'll need to work alongside AI to get things done. Right now, we have already begun to see all the creative new AI tools being used to create content. Imagine you have a simple sketch, and you want to turn it into a cool, interesting, lifelike picture. There are tools like Leonardo AI and Midjourney AI that will either create an image for you or help you edit one you've already made. They have the power to take your thoughts and make a super realistic image of your imagination. Take me, for example. I was created to show a physical representation of what I think I look like in real life, also in hopes that this would help me relate more to my audience. Or say you have a bunch of photos and you want to create unique art pieces out of them. Artbreeder is your go-to AI for this task. It can generate beautiful images using the photos you provide. Need help with your writing? WordTune can reorganize and make your sentences sound better. Number 2. Embedded intelligence in devices. Peter Diamandis says that the cost of special computer chips for machine learning is dropping really fast because lots of people want them all over the world. These special AI chips might become super cheap, maybe as low as $5. That means we could have affordable AI in things like toys, appliances, drones, video game controllers, and more. Another reason why this can happen is because there are lots of small, inexpensive sensors and fast internet networks being used. According to Gartner, a company that studies AI metrics, the sales of special chips for AI were $8 billion in 2019, but they are expected to go up to $34 billion by the end of 2023. In the future, kids' toys might be able to remember faces and names using facial recognition by the year 2030. That's like having a smart toy that knows who you are, and don't even get me started with movies like Megan. Some people believe that our home appliances might get really smart as well. They could listen to your voice and do what you ask them using speech recognition. They might even predict what you need using clever computer algorithms. That does seem super futuristic, almost like the Disney movie Smart House. Hard to believe we could be there in only 7 years, but let's not count it out just yet. Number 3. Autonomous cars exceeds human skills. Autonomous cars, those self-driving vehicles, might just turn out to be better drivers than us humans. Thanks to some fancy tech like Tesla's new Dojo supercomputer, these self-driving cars could be cruising around in certain places within the next 10 years. But hold your horses, not everyone agrees on this. Some brainiacs think we're still decades away from that reality. Here's the deal. If these autonomous cars become a thing, they could change the game in a big way. First off, they might make getting around cheaper in certain areas. That means your wallet might just thank you. And that's not all. They could shake things up for some businesses too. Imagine how urban planning, delivery services, and trucking could look very different. It's like a ripple effect from these self-driving whizzes. So all in all, self-driving cars could become better drivers than us, thanks to improvements in technology. Real quick before we move forward, you might have noticed that I'm trying to incorporate some of these new tools, like talking avatars, into my videos. Please let me know if you think this is a good idea or should be left out. Also, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you. And let's get back to the video. Number 4. Better medical treatments. Artificial intelligence is playing a significant role in enhancing our understanding of how a person's genes, surroundings, and lifestyle can impact the prevention and treatment of specific illnesses. Thanks to digital therapies, tailor-made medications, and better diagnostic tools, the way we approach treatments is changing. These changes are making treatments more precise, affordable, and accessible. AI isn't here to replace human doctors, but to work alongside them as a valuable tool. It's like having a helpful assistant. The more we use it in various medical situations, the smarter it becomes, continuously learning and improving. It's like having a really smart companion who keeps getting better at what they do. This not only benefits patients, but also helps doctors make more accurate diagnoses. The partnership between human doctors and AI-driven diagnostics is essential. Think of it as teamwork. Their ongoing interaction helps enhance the accuracy of the system, making it even more reliable over time. It's like training a new colleague who gets better and more reliable with each task. Eventually, as AI becomes more proficient, people will have enough trust in it to allow it to operate independently. It's like nurturing a young talent until they become a seasoned pro. AI in medicine is a promising development that can greatly improve healthcare in the future. Number 5. Space exploration and robotics. Artificial intelligence and robots are going to help us explore space more than ever. These AI-powered robots will go to dangerous places in space, do experiments, and help humans explore better. They will be like trailblazers, changing the way we think about the universe and making new discoveries in space. Think of it like this. Imagine sending smart robot explorers to places where humans can't go. They'll do all the risky work and experiments, making it safer for astronauts. AI and robotics will open up a whole new world of space exploration. They're like our space helpers, making it possible for us to learn more and go further into the cosmos. Number 6. Massive job losses. AI has the potential to cause a lot of people to lose their jobs. According to Udacity's CEO Gabe Del Porto, by 2030, millions of people could find themselves without work because of AI. The COVID-19 pandemic has only made this situation happen faster. In fact, these job losses might be even bigger than the massive shift that took place when people moved from working on farms to working in factories in the United States and Europe during the 1900s. Jobs that involve things like driving a car or operating heavy machinery, as well as jobs in fields like law, will become more and more automated. This means that many of these jobs might disappear. To survive in this changing job landscape, many people will need to learn new skills and find different kinds of work. Unfortunately, this trend could also make social inequality worse. According to the United Nations, 71% of people in the world already live in countries where inequality is increasing. This means that a small group of people could end up with a lot of power, while many others struggle to find work. However, it's not all bad news. Jobs that rely on emotional intelligence like sales, leadership, and management are more likely to stay around in the coming decade. Number 7. Sustainable energy and food production. AI and agriculture are teaming up to change how we grow food. Thanks to AI, robots can now take care of our crops in super precise ways. This means they can make sure we get as much food as possible while also being kind to our environment. Not just that, AI is also helping us make the most of renewable energy. It uses special algorithms to figure out the best way to use these eco-friendly power sources. This is a big step forward in making power generation more efficient and earth-friendly. And as we get closer to the year 2030, you can bet that AI's role in all of this is only going to get bigger. It's an exciting time for the way AI and agriculture are working together. To sum it all up, the future of AI in 2030 looks incredibly promising. AI is set to transform industries, improve our daily lives, and tackle complex challenges. From healthcare to transportation, education to entertainment, AI will be a driving force. We can't predict all the breakthroughs, but one thing's for sure, it's going to be an extraordinary journey. If you found this video informative and exciting, don't forget to hit the like button to show your support. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates on AI's progress in the coming years. We'd love to hear your thoughts and predictions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.